Hello guys, today I will be reviewing on Simple Scoop Pool. Is it legit or actually scam? Let's check it out. Make sure to view the entire video for a complete understanding. Simple Scoop markets itself as an all-in-one pool maintenance solution. Just one scoop per week claims to handle algae, stabilize water, oxidize, clarify and condition your pool. It's designed to work alongside your regular sanitizer, like chlorine, and is advertised as safe for both kids and pets. But does it actually work? Some users have praised its convenience, reporting clearer water and less need for juggling multiple chemicals. They like the idea of a single simplified approach to pool care. However, not everyone is convinced. There are concerns that while it may help in some areas, it doesn't fully replace proper water testing and balancing. Some say the product's promises sound a bit too good to be true. So what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a low-maintenance supplement to your current pool routine, Simple Scoop could be a useful addition. But if you're expecting a total hands-off miracle, you might be disappointed. At the end of the day, every pool is different. What works well for one setup might not work for another. So test carefully and stay informed.